Hello everyone, my name's Joelle. Welcome to day 12 of the 28-day head-to-toe yoga challenge, where today we're focusing on our side body. Finding a comfortable seat with a tall spine and the eyes closed, just for a few moments of deep breaths here. In and out through the nose, as you notice how you're feeling. And then opening the eyes, we'll come to a tall kneeling position, rolling the shoulders back. And with the arms at your side, just start leaning from right to left, letting the fingers slide up and down the outsides of the legs. So similar to the practice we did yesterday for the mid-back, we don't usually spend a lot of time thinking about our side body until, of course, it gets sore or catches our attention in some other way. So as you breathe today, think about not only lifting the chest, but really expanding the rib cage from side to side through those deep breaths. As we come back to center and set the right hand down, extending out through the left leg and the left arm. And we'll start to take some big sweeping circles with that top arm. So opening up through the chest, feeling the space between the ribs, particularly on the left side as you make this movement your own. And then finishing up that last circle and setting yourself down onto the right hip. And we'll come into a side sphinx, just in case you thought sphinx wouldn't make an appearance today. Reach the left arm up and behind you. So with that left hand, you're looking to see if you can touch that right shoulder blade. So nice opening up here through both sides of the side body, really. And just observe where you're feeling sensation. As we release that top arm, lift ourselves up into a tall kneel again, setting the left hand down and extending out through the right leg and right arm. And then beginning with those big circles with the right arm this time. Think about reaching the fingertips away from the body, growing longer, and opening up whatever feels tight and tense as we finish that last circle. And then lower ourselves down onto the left forearm and left hip. Bringing the right hand up behind you, maybe touching that left shoulder blade. And you might close the eyes, take a moment to consider whether this side may be any different from the first one. Pressing that forearm down to lift up out of the left shoulder. And let's release, making our way to hands and knees, setting the right forearm down on the mat and crawling the left fingertips forward as you lower down into puppy pose. So the forehead can rest on top of that right forearm, palm facing down. Maybe reaching those left fingertips just a little bit further out to encourage a bit of a deeper stretch in that left side body. And again, lifting our way up, and we'll simply switch sides, setting the left forearm down to the mat and crawling the right fingertips out in front of you as you lower into puppy pose. Reaching a little bit further. And again, thinking about those inhales and exhales, expanding and contracting the rib cage. Bringing the right hand back, we'll lift up again here. Sitting ourselves down into a comfortable seat, cross-legged. And then bringing the right foot across the left knee and just hugging that knee in towards the chest. You could take a seated twist here, looking over your right shoulder, growing taller with every inhale, and twisting a little bit deeper with every exhale. And coming back through center, back to a cross-legged seat, and then the left foot can plant to the outside of the right thigh, using the right arm to hug that knee in towards the right shoulder. Inhaling to sit up tall and exhaling, perhaps twisting to the left, taking the gaze over that shoulder in this half Lord of the Fishes pose. Feeling the length through the entire spine. And then coming back to center and simply crossing the legs, taking any final little shakes, maybe rocking yourself from side to side one final time. Bring the hands to prayer. And for a few final breaths, think again about inhaling to expand through the entire sides of your body. And exhaling to contract them. Observe whether you feel more open or if anything else may have changed on the mat today. And I'm so glad you joined me today. Don't forget to join me tomorrow as well for lucky day number 13, where we'll bring a little bit of fire to our abs. Until then, namaste.